Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will create a SharePoint online communication site using Microsoft Power Automate. So let's say go to the make.power automate. This is only one step flow. In the single action, we will create it. Okay. So let's say go to the make.power automate first. Okay. So my Power Automate is opening. So let's simply I just click on the create. In the create, you can use any trigger, automated trigger schedule according to your need. For now, let's use the manual trigger and to your communication site. And select the manual trigger here and simply just click on the create. Here we have the manual trigger, then we will add an action. Type here HTTP. In the SharePoint, we will add this send an HTTP request to the SharePoint. Let's we give the site name. We click on the custom, enter custom value. We'll go to the SharePoint and copy this name only. Okay, let's say go to the make.power automate and paste it here. Okay, SharePoint up to this much. Okay, then we will change the action to the post. Then we need to give the URI. So I simply use the URI here. Okay, this one API SP site manager create and just simply click on the show all. Then you need to click on this switch to key value. Okay, and then just simply give here this one and then just click on the here to check your value is correct or not. What we have done here, we given the content type to the application JSON and the data OData verb BOS and the accept condition as well. Then we need to pass the body. So for the passing body, I will share this with you in the comment box. From there you can be copy. The request title is my communication site. I will give here Ravindra Zadhav, and here also I will change the name to the Zadhav. You can change according to your needs. Okay, other things will remain same. Owner, you need to put the owner's email ID. If you are the owner, you can put your email ID. LC ID, web template, sign design. Okay, and the share by enable should be as it is. Okay, here you need to write a one power effects. Okay, instead of typing this GUID, it will work only one time in this way, but you can be pass the GUID here. Okay, it is a unique ID. Every time it will create by using GUID. Okay, so we can be use that. I simply click on the add here. Okay, so new GUID is created. Okay, you can see our entire Power Automate flow is now done. Okay, if you have any questions still here, you can be ask me into an comment box. I will help you. So let's I click on the save and my flow is saving now. Okay, you can be see it taking time. We get the notification your flow is saved. Let's I click on the test flow. Let's click on the manually and just simply click on the test. It is asking for the sign in. You need to sign in. Then I simply click on the run flow our flow is running, it taking some time, and just click on the done. So our flow runs successfully. You can be see the notification as well as you receive the output as well. So simply just click on the output here, and here you can be see the site URL. Just use the control button of your keyboard and click on this site. Okay, so my site is opening. You can be see the new ready-made site is created for us by using Power Automate Cloud. Okay, so in this pre-built template, the name my communication site Ravindra Jadhav, and the URL also that we provided, that URL we will get. Okay, so we will also see how to share the site access. Okay, add the members owner to this site. Okay, in our upcoming videos. Okay, also we will limit this site to the 50 MB 20 MB by using Power Automate. Okay, if you're on your request, okay, if you need that video, just comment down below, we will create that. Thank you friends, have a nice day, keep learning, keep growing.